Okay, I was influenced. I got the Tartelette Tubing Mascara. I've not been happy with my drugstore mascaras for a really long time, but I've been using them. I even did the DIY lashes, and I like those too, but I've taken them off for now. And we're gonna give this a try. I've curled my lashes. So I'm 53, and so things, I don't have the thick, long lashes like I used to when I was younger. And I mean, I've got them, but they're thin and they're curled. So this is au naturel. So I have this. We're going to give it a try. We'll do just one eye so we can compare. And I can't see anything, so this is going to be a trick because I am blind. Okay, so that's one coat. That's one coat. I really can't see. I need a makeup mirror. Okay, so that's just one coat. You can already see the difference. I'm gonna blow dry them and put on a second coat. I'm so surprised that I'm not gouging my eye out because I cannot see. When you're 53 and you've been doing this all of your adult life, well, adult and teen life, you can kind of go by feel, which is kind of amazing because I am a complete blur in the camera. So there you have it, the difference. I think they look really good, but what do I know? I can't see. Let me back up. Maybe I can see farther away. No, I still can't see. Oh, they do look pretty good. Anyway, I'm going to link it here. Far and away the best mascara that I've used in a long time. I've used it like maybe 3 days. And the other thing that I've noticed is when I take my mascara off, it doesn't like smear all over my face. I use, a makeup remover, and it just sort of, I don't know, it just like slides off. And I don't have the raccoon eyes, even when I think I've got it all off. Sometimes I wake up in the morning and I have dark, mascara underneath, even though I thought I cleaned it really well. But not with this stuff. It comes off so easily and it stays on and no smudging. So, 10 out of 10. I would recommend this. I think this is the best I've ever used.